something wrong has gone, whether in directly in your life or someone close to you. Or even if you haven't gone through it, you have seen so many things happening around. And that's why we have recovered from the health part, but we have to recover from it mentally and emotionally so that we can create a new life. We can go forward and create the success. We can go forward and create happiness. We can go forward and create positivity. We can go forward and be the person who we want to be. We can go forward and live a healthy, joyful, happy, awesome life. Are you saying yes to awesome life? Are you saying yes to joyful life? Are you saying yes to a life of growth, peace, positivity, so that no amount of worry, no amount of anxiety, no amount of fear should hold you back? Because you know what? You are the awesome creation of God. You are the awesome creation of the universe. And you have this power to transform your life. So no amount of fear, no amount of worry, no amount of anxiety, no amount of suffering, no amount of criticism should hold you back. Do you believe in it? Do you believe in it? If yes, say, yes, I believe. Everything starts from believing. Yes. And so many of you were, while going through life, suffering through different challenges, going through difficult situations, you have forgotten. Many times you keep forgetting that who you are, how blessed you are, how you have to believe in yourself. Many times you disconnect from that infinite power that you have within you, that amazing power that you have within you, the gift that you have within you. So you have to always remind and tell yourself that, yes, I believe.